Sheikh Mohammed, just picking up on Fadi's point, because the idea that, you know, all these sensors that are sending all this data that presumably can reduce waste, which is one of the #1 priorities, but all of that information will bring its own challenges with it.
Yeah, so it has its own challenges, but honestly, I would look at it from different perspective. How powerful is it? So when we talk about, let's say, for example, the pandemic, or let's say the tools that the 5G, for example, the technology, I see it comes with as a breakthrough, as you know how advanced is our technology. Talking about mobile or fixed, it has its own challenges. Yes, I understand because sometimes we have the tools, or let's say a technology that it really needs people to use it, or let's say mix the best use of it. We have a very powerful tools. We have, let's talk about AI you just mentioned, or let's say machine learning. So these type of tools will be really helpful for our industry and for us also as the leaders in the industry to make the right decision and make the right decision in the right time. So it has its own challenges because, as I said again, at the beginning, we talked about the agility, we talked about the mindset and how we really need to be adaptable to these changes. It has its own challenges when you have this technology and you don't make that best use of it. These are the challenges when we see it from the breakthrough that we have from technology, talking about 5G or even the fixed. And we saw it during the pandemic, how really people changed dramatically. We talked about digital transformation for ages, but people are not eager to change unless it's inevitable to do that. These challenges are from a mindset and also from how we are being adaptive to the technology that we are having and how powerful the technology we are having today.